Do you like the rector?
I was just saying this, I've just now had my camcorder turn itself off and there's no reason for it.
It just turned itself off?
Turned itself completely right off.
Well, we've got the other one going.
So, well, it's the point of what's interesting, what caused that. Because it has been now on the camcorder switch off before here.
No, my Panasonic does sometimes turn itself off.
Do you know the man dressed in red here? He's been here many times too. Do you like when these gentlemen come to visit? Do you like when Mr. Halton comes to visit? Mr. Halton. Do you like when Chris Halton comes to visit? Do you like when people are in your church? Do you want people to stay out of your church? I'd like to talk to that girl that we heard from. Can you tell us what your name is? Why do you stay here at the church?
Stolen something.
Yeah. Why do you stay here at the church?
Let's up the ante. Don't sit next to Mum, I feel you both, and ask some questions. So if both of you sat together. Why don't you introduce yourself, Eva? Speak to the Reverend.
Reverend, my name is Eva. I'm also from the States. Do you want to talk to me?
Colonies.
From the colonies. I'm from the colonies in the
From His Majesty's colonies.
That's me.
Are you okay with us being here?
Ask if you like girls or women.
Do you like girls or women?
Ask if he likes you.
Do you like me? I said, do you like me?
He's creeping in, his voice is coming.
That was the voice that I heard say Bolton.
That's him, that's him. Okay, you got his interest.
Is there anything you want to say to me?
Yikes.
Oh.
Yeah. That sounded similar to the voice that I heard in real time when I was in the vestry.
All right.
Are you standing close to us? We? Are there multiple people here?
Something then went, That was actually inside the church, not through the speaker.
Well, you like girls, Reverend, and we brought 3 girls here tonight. That's his voice there again. Are you happy about that? You like girls, don't you, Reverend?
Were you excited when you saw us coming?
Are there other females here?
Yes.
Yes.
That's twice they've responded
That
with a
was
yes.
very clear.
Yeah,
The
twice.
first time it was a female voice.
And that's a male
that was
voice,
his
confirming, yeah. Are there anybody here, any of those girls, do you want to speak to our girls? Could you say your name, please?
Want to tell me your name?
This is not something.
Do you remember my name?
I'm just moving a bit. Oh, you still. Reverend Kendall, it's Mr. Holton here. Can you hear me? Yes. Can I ask you a question, and can you give me a straight answer? Are you pleased that these ladies are here tonight? Yes or no? I think there was a very, very faint yes, but I won't count that. Do you want us to leave or do you want us to stay? Do you want us to stay? The conversation is definitely with you two, not with me.
Are you okay with us being here?
What?
I don't, maybe you didn't use modern language. Are you okay with us being here?
Is thou pleased that thy fair sex have joined us here tonight, or whatever they used to say.
I meant to use a colloquialism. Should we leave? Should we go home and not come back? Should we go back to the colonies and leave your church empty?
Can you understand what they're saying?
Do any of the women here want to come with us?
Who is in this back room? What's your name?
Ask if the Reverend Pooley is with us tonight. He's the other one who's buried here.
Did you just touch me? Oh, no. What's his name?
Pooley.
Pooley. Is Reverend Pooley here? Reverend Pooley.
Did someone just go, female? Anybody? No, that's on the outside, not on the over the speaker.
Right, if someone can take over, I'm going to change the frequency on the box and we'll try a different angle. If you guys want to stand there and hold the camera on the box while I'm filming, I'm going to change the frequency about. I'm up to maximum volume on the box. He's still talking. Right, sweet rate. Really slow now. Slow on the forward swing.